Hello friend, how are you? Today I presentation this software. This software name is LifeDesign. LifeDesign is a graphics design software, the most advanced graphics design site for create a staying graphics design for website, blog, and landing page at local business with just pass a button.
Customer attention span, that's just 4 seconds. Businesses all around the globe are investing millions of dollars every year to create stunning designs, graphics, images, etc. to get viewers' attention. But here's the sad reality. Not even 1% of them live up to the expectation, and ultimately businesses end up losing thousands of dollars. Ultimately, they fail to cut through the clutter and get lost amongst the countless business entities on the internet. Now just imagine, what if you had the untapped power to create and sell attention-grabbing graphics and designs for your offers?
And more.
And with that, convert your websites, landing pages, blogs, etc. into lead magnets once and for all. For doing all this, you don't need to turn your hair gray for learning advanced Photoshop skills, purchasing expensive software, paying through the nose to unreliable freelancers, or depending on third parties who are just toying with your money. If that caught your interest, I've got some great news for you. Presenting LifeDesigns, the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any website, blog, landing page, etc. with just
or more detailed information about this video, see how to use this software, like for your business logo, report, books shot, and ebook coverage, markup, illustrator, product builders, business graphics, banner. Say goodbye. Illustrator, Canva, Photoshop, Ident, Redact. See the software very 3